So back in our examples, I'm going to now demonstrate how to submit an order from Python to Sierra Charts. So as before, I have Sierra Charts running with the same setup. So I have the custom study with the key set to XX. And we're basically going to be sending orders to this chart, and they're going to be placed on this market on ES. And I'm going to I'm going to demonstrate this in a simple script that basically just goes to sleep for 5 seconds, places an order, sleeps again 5 seconds, places another order, and does that infinitely, basically. All right, so the first thing we'll do is, like before, we're going to import. So from 2829, get the bridge. Import the Sierra chart bridge. Then we're going to create the bridge object. What's wrong with this? 29, import bridge. What does it want? Never mind. I don't know what it wants. Anyways, so now that we have the bridge, we're basically going to be going into a while loop. And then we are going to using the bridge to place an order. So for that, we do bridge.submit order. And here we're going to have a bunch of parameters. Okay, so I'm just going to place a simple market order to go long with quantity 1, basically. Okay, so the parameter that I need to set is the key, because that's going to go to the chart XX with the study XX on it. And is this a buy order? We'll set this to 1 because we want to go long. The order type, we'll make that 0, which is a market order. And time in force, leave that is. The rest I'm going to leave as defaults for now. Attach orders to Sierra chart train window, we'll leave that disabled as well. Okay, so just using these as defaults. Then we're going to sleep. So let's get the time, import time, and then set a sleep for 5 seconds. And then let's print out that we're actually doing something. Print placing order. Okay. And that's it. Now, let's make this a bit smaller so we can see Sierra chart. All right, and let's run this. Yes. Import bridge. Sorry about that. All right, so we got the placing order, and then we can see the order going into Sierra chart, right? So now every time we see this, we're going up by 1, +3, +4, and so on. The other thing we can do, let's stop this. The other thing we can do, let's see about adding, so we'll do this, is by equals 1. What else did we have here? Order type equals 0. And then we can see something actually. Order type equals 0. And then we had, which parameter was it? Attach orders. Let's look at how that works. Attach orders to Sierra chart tray window equals 1. So what this is going to do is, if I go back into Sierra chart now, let's clear out these trades. Oh, and forgot to mention that this needs to be enabled. All right, so my configuration, I have trade simulation mode on because I'm just running it in sim mode. And I have the auto trading enabled for both the global setting and the chart setting, which is important. Now, attach trade attached orders from the CRTrade trade win. We'll probably have to change that, the name of that, but for now, that's what it is. And let's see how that works. So if I attach the trade wind to the chart, I can then get OCO orders defined here with all the trade management as well. So let's say that I want to place a target. Let's make this price offset, make this 20 points, stop, price offset. Let's make this also 20 points. Okay, so now let's see what happens. So let's make this sleep a little bit longer so we can actually see it going. So we'll sleep 30 seconds. Okay, so we're placing the order. And now we place the order and we have our OC orders as well. So when attached orders to CRChart trade window is set, when the order comes in and gets filled in CR charts, whatever configurations you had here would kick in and they would be issued and managed and so on. So if I had here one of the Sierra chart trailing stops or whatnot, those would get managed on the Sierra chart side, which is pretty cool. All right, I think that's it for now. It's pretty much what I wanted to cover. There are other options here in terms of the order types to send in limit orders and stop orders and so on using the other fields, the price one and price two. I think I'm going to pause here for now though, leave this video just the basic submitting a market order with the quantity defaulted to 1 and how to use the CRChart trade window and